Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have made a good profit today. Today was amazing volatility in the market, and let me share with you how my traders bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Before I show you my analysis, I just want to share one more thing with you guys, that there's so many scammers basically using my name and asking you for the investment so they can double your account or they can trade your account. Just to let you know that all these are fake telegrams and WhatsApps and all those sort of groups. I don't personally take any investment with any investors, just to let you know. Instead, I give them investment trading funding account to trade. So just be careful and don't give any payments to any scammers. All right, my website is ashrafnoor.com. If you have any question, just email me info@ashrafnoor.com. Thank you so much. All right, let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, as mentioned yesterday, we were expecting this breakout, and today the market broke on the structure. So we had a breakout trade here at the Asian session, and this London morning session we also had this pullback, and beautiful, as soon as the price hit to this resistance level, we banked beautiful pips on Euro USD, and afterwards we also had another beautiful pullback. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and squeeze nice beautiful pips. And if you look at here, this is the analysis. As you can see here, pretty straightforward consolidation. As mentioned here, we were looking this breakout on 4-hour chart. You can see here this consolidation, and in intraday we have this consolidation. The price nicely broken at the Asian session, and we had a beautiful trade, and explained to trader consider tightening stop and look for another pullback at this level after the breakout. And exactly, I updated that analysis this morning in London morning session. As you can see here, after the breakout, explain look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, 1 2 third pullback, beautiful pullback, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the New York session. As you can see here, price reverse, and that's what I explained to my look for this breakout if the price is going to break, because you can see here price respected previously this level, and that was a pretty straightforward breakout, and price nicely developed after the breakout price. Also to retest, that give us the confirmation as soon as the price hit to the previous high level, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had amazing trade on Euro USD, and let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, as you can see here, we had another breakout this morning, and afterwards we had a pullback long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries and exit. Okay, so if you look at this morning London morning session, before that we have this Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as you price broken at this level, and beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback to pullback, long trade here. This morning London morning session, I did this analysis to look for another price develop another pattern. So we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, this candle, we have this breakout. We were expecting price might gonna continue, but as soon as the price hit to the first target, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, the price reverse, and that's what I explained to my trader. When we look at in 4-hour, we have a rejection candle, as you can see here, but the safest trade I explained to my trader, look for if the price is going to break the previous high. That was the first target, nicely hit. After that, we have another beautiful pullback. As you can see, once the price develop a pattern and break the previous high, so after that we're looking another pullback. We have another pullback, beautiful pips. And that's then again explained at the New York session, guys. Look for, as long as the price stay above this previous high, as you can see here, so we're taking another pullback. So you can see here we have another beautiful pullback, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high at this level at 100 EMA in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. All right, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade in dollar CAD, guys. We had a wonderful, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, we were looking this symmetry triangle pattern breakout 4 hour, which and because I did this analysis at the Asian session, we have this breakout, and the London morning we just keep taking a pullback. Once the price break the major structure, then we always keep taking a pullback. So you can see it is such a nice beautiful, as you can see here. Here we have a free traffic. We also have taken all pullback short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. That was a beautiful trade and a pretty straightforward trade. We had it on dollar CAD. Okay, so this is the analysis I did Asian session. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout at this level in 4 hour. You can see here that based on this analysis, we had a beautiful breakout. Momentum was bearish, so breakout London morning session. Explain my trader, just keep taking a pullback because the price broke on the major symmetry triangle pattern. We have breakout and pullback, beautiful. And just before the New York session, we banked beautiful pips, and then I explained to my trader, look for another breakout, as you can see here, because the news release for the CAD, that was the good for the CAD and bad for the dollar. That's another creative. We have another beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another pullback. Here's a here, all these pullbacks. And once we bank some profit, I did another analysis, guys. Look for here, because the most of the traders, they were expecting more going to be reversal. I said, guys, trade what you see it as long as the momentum is bearish. So we have another beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit twice at the major pip channel, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see, guys, we had such an amazing trade, and we keep taking pullbacks on our intraday system and bank amazing profit. Today, most of the traders bank amazing pips, and even pound, yen, all the yen pair. We had a beautiful trade. Yen pair, if you let me share with you, euro, pound, yen, you can see here. Once we have this rejection, we have taken short trade here, all short trade here. Let me share you quickly. As you can see here, beautiful. You can see here breakout, and all these analysis announced through opportunity, announced through the live audio commentary. Beautiful breakouts, as you can see here. Once the price hit to the target, as you can see here at this level, then we had a counter long trade here, as mentioned here. Look for this breakout. After this breakout, pullback, beautiful. So we had an amazing trade on all the yen pair, and especially on the dollar CAD. Beautiful trade. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live intraday analysis, with the live audio commentary support. Once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested, how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.